She's over on that next hill, isn't she?
Is she over on somebody else?
No, she's still on you, sounds like. I see her. Well, I think you got yourself a good little dog there, Sam.
Yeah, it's both of them, you know. A lot of times you don't want to just rush right in, because the squirrel will see you and could timber out, what they call timber, you know, move. Oh crap! If you're looking at this from right here,
I see the hole up there.
walk around this height. So I think that's the fast grass, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Stay, stay.
There's a hole every 10 feet in that tree.
Come here. See up there? Huh? 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 See up there? See up there? Think? Hmm? Yeah, there's a bunch of holes over here. Get him. Is he up there? Somebody else, some other dog's been in here chewing at this tree.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes you can do this and it might come out.
Might jump a tree, come out and jump a tree maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you tried. You tried. After they tree and don't get one, so they won't go back, you usually lead them off a tree, because that's the way of telling them that they're done. Come on, Dolly. Two's not bad for this late in the season. That big fork is. It's on the right side, about 10 yards up from the first big fork. He's going to get away if I don't shoot him here before long.
You go ahead.
See him right up there.
Oh yeah.
You get a picture of the dogs. That what you? I'm going to try and get him. He's not showing too much. Hey, come here, come here. Maisie, atta girl, good job, good job. It's not yours, Dolly. She was there first. She was there first.
Good job.
Yeah, come here. Maisie. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah, atta girl. Get down. You didn't do a thing. You didn't do a thing. Maisie did it all. Oh, I put this squirrel up. She'll look around. See, she still thinks it's up in the tree. That's just a funny characteristic she has. Good job. Yeah. You did good. Yeah.
Now you say, how old would you say she is, Sam?
She's about a year and 3 months.
Wow.
So she's a young dog.
She's got a lot of potential then.
Yeah, she does. She's got a nice voice on her. You can hear her. When you do this, because see, Dolly got that tree, and then Maisie tried to come in on her.
Uh-huh.
So it's not Maisie's squirrel. Dolly's got it. If I were to let her go up there, she'd just start to follow Dolly around. Oh, I see a hole here. It's amazing how those squirrels, you know, they're not very big. They can hide. You up there? Huh? You up there? Get him. Get him. Sometimes you have to look at the other trees right around it in case they, you know, have timbered out. They do that pretty frequently this time of the year. You up there? You up there? Hey, hey, hey! Dolly! Dolly, stay! Stay! Atta girl, stay! You see it up there at all?
No, I don't.
Oh, I saw its tail and it's a leaf. There he is, right there.
Yeah,
See him?
I sure do.
I wonder if I can get him off hand. You want to try?
No, go ahead. I'd like to video this. I've got a good shot of him, Sam, whenever you're ready. Oh, he's got stuck there. Hey, he's still going. He's still going. Get another shot on him there, Sam.
Get him! Get him! Get him! That's it! That's it! Good job!
Boy, that's awesome.
Yeah, you guys got him. Well, Dolly, what's wrong? You're bigger than she is. Huh? Yeah. Good job. Come here. Come here. Ah, girl. Maisie, Maisie. Let me have it.
Another boar in it.
Yeah. Here, here, here. Get down. Get down. Yep. Now watch, she'll look around. See, where'd he go? Huh? Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Well, you no longer said it's amazing they're not out on the edge of the field, and I looked up and there it was, and the chase was on.
Good job. Yeah. You saw that.
Just as soon as you said that, though, we looked right up and the chase, there they go.
Yep.
Boy, that was a fun chase there, wasn't it?
That's fun. And I like to see the dogs work. They didn't on that one because it was a sight chase.